Sophia Vargas is a young lady who doesn't know what to prioritize in life. She's a carefree student who prefers chatting with her friends and surfing the internet over studying or doing her projects.
Sophia dear, I know you're still up. It's already 10 p.m. What on earth are you doing?
I'm working on my project, Mommy dearest.
Oh well then, carry on honey. Don't stay up too late, alright? It's bad for your health.
Haha, I've got to change my display photo on Facebook. It is so 1 week ago. Geez, Elisa is so slow in replying. I've been typing sentence after sentence in this chat thing.
We all know that a student should not spend her night like that in a school day. The next day at school.
Huh? What's the problem? What's with those frowns?
It's the submission of our project in health, and everybody's anxious about it.
Project? What project?
The project Miss Alexandra gave us a week ago.
You know, the project about our healthy habits and how we perceive ourselves 10 years from now.
Oh, chocolate fudge! I totally forgot. What time is our health class?
Good morning, class. Please settle down.
Sophia sat down on her seat, shrugging the thought that she forgot to do her project. She thought to herself, it's just health class. I will never fail.
Yet again, Sofia Vargas wasn't able to meet my requirements. What is your reason this time? A cat thought it was a scratching post and scratched on it?
Miss? I forgot.
Now, let's move on to our lesson.
As the teacher began to talk, some students listened while some didn't even bother. One of those is none other than Miss Sophia Vargas.
Now, class, we shall have a quiz on smoking and alcohol tomorrow. I expect everyone to study well.
After dismissal at the corridor,
Sophia!
What?
We'll be coming over to Tina's place this afternoon for a group study. Wanna join?
Study? For the three of you? That must be fun. I can manage on my own.
What a killjoy! We were just trying to persuade her to study. Never mind her. Let's go.
at Sophia's bedroom,
Will I study now? Nah, I still have time later after an hour, I guess. I hope Jasper's online today.
and so Sophia went on her computer engagement, her Facebook, Yahoo Messenger, and the list goes on, until she forgot her quiz the next day. At her classroom the next day.
Take your seats, ladies. Prepare a piece of paper, pen, and of course, your knowledge. We shall start the quiz now.
The students were all prepared to take the quiz. Sophia was intense. She knew what she can do to pass. After distributing the questionnaires, they quickly began. Meanwhile, Alela noticed Sophia glancing at Julie's paper. When they all passed their paper, and while Miss Alexandra prepared to leave, Alela called her attention and told her what she had seen.
Sophia, you are in great trouble, young lady.
Yes, miss?
Well, Alala told me you were looking at your seatmate's paper. That would be considered cheating, Miss Vargas.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? I was glancing over the pretty electric fan beside her.
But, okay. This will be your first warning, though. If I see you cheating again, off you go to the principal's office.
At the classroom the next day. But of course, we all know that dear Sophia had done the night before. Yes, sitting in front of the computer all night. Unfortunately, Miss Alexandra gave off another quiz after another new lesson. Clever, Sophia thought of another way to pass.
Miss Vargas, what is that? Let me see.
No!
Off to the principal's office, Miss Vargas, now!
Unfortunately, the principal was in a meeting, so it is Miss Alexandra who just reprimanded Sophia.
Give me one good reason why you cheated.
But, miss, I did not cheated.
Your grammar is failing, Sophia. Most probably, you are lying.
I did not cheat, miss. I just picked out that paper.
Miss Alexandra just decided to call for Sophia's parents. Mr. and Mrs. Vargas knew about this problem because of Miss Alexandra's report. They knew how her addiction in the computer was getting in the way of her studies. Sophia's house when Sophia got home. I am very disappointed, young lady. You were caught cheating twice in a minor subject like health. Your teacher told me you are failing her subject.
Daddy, it is difficult.
You were just being irresponsible. That is it, young lady. No computer for you until the end of the school year, and you are also grounded. Let me see if you'll still fail any of your subjects.
But I...
Okay, Daddy.
After that, her priorities and attitude towards studying changed. Most importantly, she realized that it is bad to cheat. Sophia Vargas learned the lesson that she would always remember for the rest of her life. Honesty is a policy, and cheating is a bad habit.